Today I was looking at my Instagram page trying to find out what cocktail have I not made a video of. And lo and behold, my very first Instagram post, I don't have a cocktail of. It's a cocktail that I call the Sully. I was playing around with a couple of things in the bar one day. Well, technically the kitchen, the bar's in my kitchen. Messing around with, I made something with a white Monster energy drink. I kind of like those a little bit. I'm kidding, I like those a lot. Put a little vodka in it. I made a Moscow Mule out of it called the Monster Mule. Then I said, you know what? What else can I do with a Monster energy drink? Not a big fan of the Red Bulls. So I figured I'd let me play around with a couple of things, and this is what I came up with. Like I said, it's called the Sully. And what is Sully? Sully is a big blue monster from Monsters Inc. And what do you need to make a big blue monster cocktail? A blue monster. So from here, the second thing is going to be a gin. And the last thing is going to be lemon juice. Now, we are using concentrate. We're keeping this down. I could use it fresh and still keep it down, but I'm trying to keep it as low as we can. So this cocktail is going to clock in, I think about, if I did my math right, it's going to be like a half a gram of carbs per cocktail. If I put fresh lemon juice in it, it's going to raise it up to about 2.5 grams of carbs. Not bad. Still well under our 5, but we're going to go ahead and try to keep this under 1 today. So this is going to follow a Moscow Mule ratio. So it's just like making a Moscow Mule. You're going to use 2 ounces of your spirit, 4 ounces of your soda, 1 ounce of your citrus juice. What's different from the Moscow Mule is how we serve it. Sully's a tall monster, so we get ourselves a tall glass. We get ourselves a common glass. Get a little bit of ice. You're going to put this in. Now, if you're serving friends, don't use your hands. If you're serving yourself, make sure you wash your hands. There we go. About halfway with ice the first time. Now, here's another thing. We'll put a couple of little red grapes in there. Some red seedless grapes. This is a building glass. The gin I'm using is Euphrosyne. She's the Greek goddess of entertainment. Of course, cocktails are entertaining. It's also named after a street on side of the distillery in New Orleans. Again, another Louisiana product made right here in South Louisiana, New Orleans, from Atelier V Distillery. They also make an absinthe, which it's really hard for me to get out here. I'm near Baton Rouge. Nobody out here has it. We have to travel like really deep into Baton Rouge. I think somebody has it out there. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go to New Orleans to get it. They make 2 different absinthes. They make a green and a red. They also make a white whiskey. They make a brandy, a couple other spirits. So they have a pretty broad selection of products. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 ounces of our gin. And on their website, they state that this is a bold American style gin. I find that it has a little more of a juniper heavy flavor, almost like a London Dry does. So that's kind of me, and I may be not getting things right, but I find that it's more of a London Dry, closer to a Bombay than, let's say, a New Amsterdam. So there we go. We have our 4 ounces of soda, well, Blue Monster. We're going to do 1 ounce of our lemon juice. Again, fresh is best. Go ahead and use fresh if you use fresh lemon juice. This is going to be 2.5 grams of carbs. Let's go ahead and stir that up a little bit. Let's try to get some of those grapes to the middle, maybe if we can, or they just sink into the bottom. All right, and we're going to go ahead and top that off with a little bit more ice. And we're going to garnish that with a couple of lemon wedges. All right, and we'll garnish that with a couple of lemon wedges, make the horns for Sully. And there you have it, the Sully. Little blue cocktail, well, tall blue cocktail. It's got the little purple dots like Sully has, and some horns. And that's it. Let's go ahead and give this a taste. Man, absolutely delicious. I know some of y'all say you're not supposed to mix alcohol and energy drinks. It's not good for you. Well, shit, alcohol's not good for you. So, hey, look at Jaeger bombs. Not a fan of Jaeger, but hey, energy drinks. There's a lot of recipes out there with energy drinks. So that's it, guys. The Sully. Y'all have a great night. I know I will. I'll be awake for a little while. Y'all have a good night. Oh, don't forget, click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like our videos. That's going to help us get up in the rankings. That's going to let more people know that I'm here to help y'all out drink low carb. And just please share our videos with your friends and leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite cocktail is, and I'll see what I can do about making that low carb for you. See y'all later.